Right, here's Charlie's old cage, okay, and we've been and bought him this new one, second hand. Yeah, he's already in it, see that, Charlie? And much more room, and I'm sure he's going to love it. And just got to find room for it, haven't we, Charlie? Hello, Charlie. Charlie. Right, I've had to dismantle the base, taking the base off of the cage itself there. Yeah, he's having a look at his new home. And it was secured here with these two little screws to the top, see that? And here's the legs. I'm going to remove those, and then from the old base, from the old cage, I'm going to fix it to here somehow. When this is finished, it's got to fit underneath those cupboards, you see. And then we can open the half of the top up as well, but we'll see. So that we can have the shredded paper in the box underneath. Should be good. Alright, I've now cut 2 pieces of wood, and they're going to be located between these 2 pillars. Pillars. Now that's 1 drilled and fitted. Alright, that's 2 now fitted. Now we've got to turn it over and see how it matches up to the base. Right, we now have to fit this base back on the base of the cage proper. Put it all back together. Then lift the cage onto this base. Put the top back on, which is here somewhere. There you are. It's top. It should be done. Okay, here we are, all finished. Resting on its base there, okay? Because it's 2 foot wide. This one, and the old one's narrower and wider. So there's the bird, he's in there. I'm about to close the door. We can open the tops up if we want as well. He thinks he's going to come out now. There you are. Don't need the combination lock either. Job jobbed. I can open the tops up, see, and it's well clear of the top there. So he can stand on the top. Job finished. New